Morning, student of class 4th. Hope you are fine at home. Today we are going to start English grammar. So students, please take out English grammar book and please open exercises of second chapter. Today we are going to do exercise of second chapter. So please student, open your book on page number 8. Okay, so take a pencil in your hand. A. Underline subject in the following sentence. Before previous lecture you have learned about subject and predicate. So students, today we are going to do exercise of this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Here a portion. Underline subjects in the following sentences. You have to underline, okay, subject. So students, you are knowing what is subject. The person or a thing we talk about is called subject. So here example is given. The boys brought books. So student, you are knowing the subject is the boys and predicate is brought book. So student, what is talking is subject. What is talking is the subject? No, what is said about the subject is called predicate. Okay, the big birds fly high in the sky. So students, you are knowing the big birds are subject and predicate is what is said about the subject is known as predicate. Before lecture you have studied. Okay, and next example. The police caught the robbers. So student, the police is a subject. Okay, you have to underline. Okay, so student, take a pencil in your hand. The squirrel lived on the tree. So the squirrel is subject. Okay, next. He and his mother are going to a mall. Okay, he and his mother is a subject. Okay, the mangoes are yellow. So students, you are knowing that the mango is a subject. Okay, next. My grandparents live in a village. My grandparents is a subject. Okay, underline. Please take a scale. Okay, do underline. Okay, we should always respect the teachers. So student, you are knowing we means subject. Shivaji was a brave warrior. So student, subject is Shivaji. Okay, next part, B part. Underline predicates in the following sentences. So first point is children play with the toys. So students, you are knowing you have to underline predicate. So play with the toy is predicate and the subject is children. Okay, second, the teacher was teaching in the class. So student predicate is was teaching in the class is predicate. Cows graze green grass. So graze green grass is a predicate. Second, fourth, Lucknow is a capital city. Is a capital city is a predicate. Ostrich runs very fast. Here ostrich is shown in your book. Runs very fast is predicate. Please underline. Next, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved India. So student, predicate is given. Loved India is a predicate. Let's see next. My grandma is telling a story is a predicate. Is telling story means this is a predicate. Next, all the students in my class were naughty. Were naughty means predicate. My sister has read all the letters is predicate. Has read all the letter is predicate. Okay, underline in your book. Third, C part. Add C part. Add predicates to the following subject. You have to add. Okay. Here subject is given and you have to add predicate. So student, first he is subject and predicate is a good person. Okay. Second, the poor boy is selling fruits. Okay. So predicate is you will also do by your own. Okay. Is selling fruit is a predicate. Okay. Third, children play with toys. Okay. So student, predicate is play with toys. Okay, you will put full stop also. Fourth, a blind man is talented. Okay, is talented is a predicate. Fifth, birds flew away. So student, predicate is flew away. Put a full stop. Okay. 6, dog barks on thieves. So student, predicate is bark on thieves. 7, the horse run fast. So student, run fast means predicate. 8, boys are playing games. So are playing games is a predicate. My mother cooks food is a predicate. Okay, cooks food is a predicate. You will do in your book only. 10 point, the teacher teaches in class. Okay, so predicate is teaches in class. Okay, you will do D. D part, add subjects to the following predicate. You have to add subject. Okay, Mr. Sharma is my teacher. Okay. Second, subject is I am fond of toffees. I is a subject. You will do in your book with pencil. Okay. The sun is rising. The subject is the sun. Fourth, my brother slept in the room. So students, you are knowing my brother is a subject. Okay. Fifth point, he loved his sister. He is a subject. Okay, loved his sister is a predicate. Miss Mount Everest is the highest peak. So student, you are knowing Mount Everest is a subject. Rabbits runs fast. Rabbit is a subject. She lost her cycle. She is a subject. They should learn English. So students, you are knowing subject is they. Rajiv was running. Rajiv is a subject. Okay. Next, E. Match the subject to its predicate properly. Okay. Here the subject column is given and here the predicate column is given. We should learn music. Okay. You will put number. The train runs on the track. The girls are fond of cosmetic. Okay. Walking is a good exercise. Everyone get honey from honeybee. Okay. The Gita is the secret book of Hindu. A mango tree is growing in the park. Lion is the king of jungle. Someone is knocking at the door. Bears love honey. Okay. Complete. Okay, like this you will do in your book. Okay, and D and E do in your notebook. Okay, notebook copy. Okay, first write the question answer. I will give you in PDF form and then you will do the exercise in your copy. Okay students. E. Complete the sentences by adding suitable subject or predicate. Okay, this is your homework. Do in your book also and copy also. Both book and copy you will do. Okay. Okay. Take care student. Bye. Thank you for listening this video. Bye bye. Take care.